guys, welcome back. Glad to see you here again. Dave from the parts department. Wanted to talk a little bit about Muc-Off. I've mentioned in past videos about helmets, the helmet care kit we have. Muc-Off, fantastic way to protect the investment. Power sports guys, you're spending your hard-earned money on this. You're spending your hard-earned money on that awesome new RFA 70 helmet. You're spending your hard-earned money on your brand new fantastic bike, whatever it may be. Cruiser, sport bike, retro classic, right? Protect that investment. Muc-Off is a great way to do it. Let's start with the helmet care kit. This is where we started with Muc-Off. Takes care of the interior, the exterior helmet, gives you a fog resistant spray, gives you a microfiber cloth, all for 40 bucks. Get that helmet looking fresh all the time, helmet care kit. Snow foam, spray on, rinse off, fantastic cleaning product for bikes. Muc-Off water-free motorcycle cleaner. This stuff is fantastic and biodegradable. You can't beat that, guys. And if you want the full package, you got a cleaning kit right here, clean and protect. You got your protectant spray, you got your waterless cleaner, and you got a sponge. So come on in, check out what we got new from Muc-Off. Keep that gear fresh, tidy, and clean.